बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज बच्चे हम लोग टॉपिक स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं अल्कीन्स और अल्काइंस को आपस में कंपैरिजन, ताकि आपको इसके रिएक्शन समझने में और याद करने में थोड़ी आसानी हो। अल्कीन्स, इसका शॉर्ट सा इंट्रोडक्शन लेंगे, देन वी डिस्कस अबाउट देयर प्रिपरेशन एंड रिएक्शंस ऑफ अल्कीन, एंड वी हैव लॉट ऑफ एमसीक्यूज फ्रॉम दिस पोर्शन। नाउ अल्कीन्स कंटेन डबल कोवलेंट बॉन्ड, it means they are unsaturated hydrocarbons. Their general formula CnH2n, where N stands for number of carbon atoms. The smallest alkene is ethene, C2H4, and called olefins. They are very reactive hydrocarbons due to presence of pi bond. The hybrid nature of carbon is sp2. It gives addition reactions. Now preparation of alkene. Now we have different methods. We discuss one or two here. Number one, dehydration of alcohols. Here we use alcohol using sulfuric acid concentrated to give alkenes by elimination reaction. The condition may used are aluminum oxide at 450 degrees centigrade. You may use phosphorus pentoxide or P410, they are same, or phosphoric acid. So these are the requirements to prepare alkenes from alcohols. Number two, dehydrohalogenation. Here we use alkyl halides or haloalkenes by using potassium hydroxide in alcoholic medium. You got alkenes. ये बच्चा आपका short सा review है just for the MCQs. Now reaction of alkenes. Alkenes give a lot of reaction due to presence of pi bond, and also these reactions are always addition. Now we take example of alkene like 1-propene or propene. First reaction, if we add hydrogen, means hydrogenation. Your answer is alkanes, mean propane. If we add halogen acid or hydrogen halides, or we take bromide as well, the Marconic-Off rule is obeyed. Your answer is 2-chloropropane by Marconic-Off rule. If we add bromine under CCl4 condition, you got dibromopropane. One bromine goes to one carbon and second goes to second carbon. If we add bromine by adding water, then your answer is again by Marconic-Off rule, OH goes to second carbon due to negative part of OH, and bromine goes to first carbon. तो आपको बड़े ध्यान से इन कंडीशंस को देखना होगा. They are very important conditions. Next, addition of water by using sulfuric acid concentrated. Again Marconic-Off rule. So your answer is next one, cold alkaline KMnO4. Your answer is diols. In case of hot concentrated KMnO4, your product are from here carbon dioxide and water, and this one converting first into aldehydes, then carboxylic acid, aldehyde to carboxylic acid. ये आपका शॉर्ट सा रिव्यू है. Now if we take ozone by using zinc and water, alkene converting into carbonyl compound. One is acetaldehyde due to 2 carbon and other is formaldehyde. ये बच्चे हमारे लास्ट वीडियो लेक्चर था इन ऑर्गेनाइजेज ऑफ अल्कीन, तो वहां आप इसकी डिटेल भी देख सकते हो. यहाँ पे हम शॉर्ट सा रिव्यू देख रहे हैं जस्ट फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग द एमसीक्यूज. और अगर आपके जहन में अल्कीन्स के रिएक्शन होंगे तो ये अल्काइन और अल्कीन को हम काफी सिमिलर वे में भी तैयार कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज दे आर वेरी सिमिलर रिएक्शंस एंड बोथ गिव एडिशन रिएक्शंस. Now we discuss shortly about alkynes that contain triple bond. Here 2 pi bonds are present. It is sp hybridized with linear geometry, bond angle 180. The smallest alkyne is ethine, also named as acetylene. General formula CnH2n-2. They also give addition reactions or electrophilic addition reactions. Now we discuss reaction of alkynes. Number one, if we add hydrogen by using nickel or heat, और जैसे आपने अल्कीन में देखा था प्लैटिनम एट रूम टेम्परेचर, योर आंसर इज अल्केन। सेकंड वन, पार्शियल हाइड्रोजनेशन। हियर वी हैव टू ऑप्शंस। नंबर वन, by using Lindlar catalyst, that is platinum in barium sulfate and poisoned with quinoline. Your answer is cis alkene. If we use sodium in liquid ammonia, your answer is trans alkene. By adding bromine in CCl4, your answer is tetrabromoethane. By adding ozone and water, your answer is carboxylic acid. If you use ozone by using zinc and H2O2, your answer is dialdehydes or ketones. If we add halogen acids, your answer is geminal dihalides. By adding water in sulfuric acid and mercurous sulfate, your answer are carbonyl compounds, may be aldehyde or ketone. Cobb's electrolysis. Here we use sodium salt of saturated dicarboxylic acid by adding water and condition acquired electric current, because we got electrolysis. Your answer is, आप बच्चे यहाँ डबल बॉन्ड लगा देंगे, got alkenes. Then loss of carbon dioxide on both molecules, and H2 gas and NaOH. In alkyne we use sodium salt of unsaturated dicarboxylic acid. Similar condition required, and you got triple bond here, you got alkynes. तो चाहिए आपके पास कंपैरिजन था अल्कीन और अल्काइन को समझने के लिए, याद करने के लिए, और इनकी कंडीशंस पे स्पेशल आप लोगों ने कंसंट्रेट करना है फॉर योर एंट्रेंस टेस्ट प्रिपरेशन। तो बच्चे आज हम यहाँ पे इसको एंड करते हैं।